That is, what is science and how different is it from technology? Because once we know the difference, then we will be able to understand that what should be our approach to go about this syllabus point. Science is something which we are not going to focus on. The technology part is the key part as far as syllabus is concerned. So the basic thing everyone knows, that science is like something pure academic thing and technology is an applied portion of science. So this much of differentiation which everyone knows is, I think, not sufficient. We should go deep into this, and through this differentiation we will chalk out our strategy for upcoming classes. So I'll be creating a differentiating table that you will be able to understand. So this is the first section is science, suppose, and the second one is technology. So what we can say about science is, science refers to the process. Science refers to the process of exploring new knowledge methodically. Method is very important in science. New knowledge methodically through observations, and experiments. So science, the basic, you can say the description is like, it refers to the process of exploring new knowledge methodically through observation and experiments. Whereas technology refers to the process of applying scientific knowledge, mind every word that's coming across, applying scientific knowledge in practical applications. This is something practical applications for various purposes. So technology refers to the process of applying scientific knowledge in practical applications for various purposes. So this is the basic, you can say, the defining features of science and technology. Now, adding to this, there are few more dimensions in this differentiating things. Science focuses on ethical process of gathering data. Science focuses on ethical process of gathering data. So the data gathering process should be ethical. That is also something important with respect to science. Whereas technology, it focuses on ethical effect of science. Focuses on ethical effect of taking action. Now, the moment you come across this differentiation, later on you will assess, when we will be studying nanotechnology or biotechnology, you will come across this differentiation, because in all these technological areas, there is a very strong area, the sub area in these topics, which is the ethical impact of these technologies. We are creating materials at nano level, that is a billionth part of a meter. It's like almost millionth part of the thickness of your hair. So making, producing, using various products at nano scale, it may have a dramatic impact on various areas. There is no doubt about it. But is it also a big challenge? Are there ethical issues involved with all these technologies? Whether it is robotics, you must have seen a lot of Hollywood movies where these robots, they take charge of humanity and they are about to kill humanity. The human existence is in danger. All these fictions, they can be a real problem once some issue, some problem emerges. So this ethical aspect, ethical dimension is a very important dimension in technology. Now, what is the difference? In science, the ethical issue arises with the process of gathering data. But in technology, the effect of whatever actions we are taking, the ethical effects of those actions, that is the focus area. So, through these differentiations, we can learn a lot of things. The third difference that we can definitely gather about these science and technology. Science refers to a continuous process of exploring knowledge. A continuous process of exploring knowledge. Whereas technology refers to a continuous process of implementing knowledge. So the key word here is implementation, of implementing knowledge. So again, in science, we see a continuous process of exploring knowledge. Exploration of knowledge is critical, is the key thing. Whereas in technology, it is the continuous process of implementing the knowledge which you have acquired probably through science. So this is again one very important aspect. Further on, the fourth important differentiating factor. Science is always useful. Science is always useful. This is very interesting. Science is always useful. But can we say this for technology too? No. Technology, it's a double-edged sword. What practically we say, technology can be useful or harmful also. So if technology overall is used with the bad intention, with the bad motive, then it can be very harmful. What we are listening all these days, this biotechnology. If God forbid, but if this virus is overall a bioweapon, so this bioweapon is created through biotechnology. So this is the negative downside of these technologies, that they can be very harmful. See, so this is the fourth aspect. The next differentiating factor is, what is the motto of science? The motto of science is knowing something. Motto of science is knowing something. But what's the motto of technology? Motto of technology is doing something. Motto of technology is doing something. Here, knowing something will not suffice. You have to because this is applied aspect, you have to do something. So the motto is to do something about anything. Next important differentiating factor can be science is something which does not changes continuously. It's not a very dynamic aspect. Science does not change very continuously, but technology is something which is rapidly changing. Technology is rapidly changing. So this is another dimension that we should keep it in mind. And the last differentiating factor that we can have, science always gives emphasis. It always gives emphasis on discovery. Discovering new elements, new things. Okay. So science is always, it's emphasizing on discovery part, but with technology, the discovery word, it will be replaced by inventions. So it always emphasizes on inventions. So in a very brief way, these are the important, we can say, differentiating factors between science and technology.